how much pressure do you have for we need to AI everything because AI is everything and we will start losing market share. We will start, losing, all over. The sky is falling because we are not investing in AI. How do you balance? Yeah, I hear you, but we still need the business case. Are you getting pressure like that, and how have you handled it?
So the answer is yes. I'm getting a lot of pressure about AI, and I talk about it all day long, every day. It's it's constant. But I think one of the things that I have tried to do is say, look, AI is actually meant to amplify and optimize human potential, right? It is not, it should be seen as a partner. It should not be seen as I'm going to plug this thing in, everything's going to be great, and now I can take some heads out, because we're not there yet, right? And so, I think oftentimes there's false expectations as to what AI is actually going to give you. I think the other thing is that, there's this notion of I plug it in and everything's great, but nobody thinks about the business process or anything like that. I mean, I think, oftentimes we're going to build a spaceship, but we forget ground control. And ground control is support, infrastructure, process, and governance. And so I think that's the problem is we're so enamored by a tool that we're not thinking through how does it actually fit into my business and how does it actually support my business process.
Yeah, it's a great way of looking at it with the ground control.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, so much of AI seems, obviously, we've never seen technology evolve this quickly. I mean, it is crazy what these tools are doing. As you think through the business case and the business problem to be solved, do you feel, because this is what I think that it requires even more business participation, even more thoughtfulness around how the business works and connects than ever in a technology solution.
Yeah. I mean, I think especially if one of your goals is actually cost out and reduction in heads, you really need to understand what your business process is and how it's actually going to support it. Because otherwise, if you don't, and then you just start getting rid of a bunch of people, then you find out you can't actually run your business, right?
Right.
So, I think going in with this whole, again, plug it in, don't have to worry about the business process we don't need to change, it's just a terrible way to look at it.